everybody, Tasha here from Twisted Boost. We're here at Appleton Harley Davidson here in Clarksville. They have their hot rods and Harleys event going on. They're doing a car and bike show. They'll talk about their classic bikes, trucks, and cars, along with their modern day trucks, bikes, and cars. So here in a little bit, I'm going to show y'all around at this event. It's definitely getting packed, more people rolling in, all different types of vehicles. So hopefully y'all end up enjoying it. But let's walk around a little bit. This first thing that we're going to show is just the bikes that are just kind of hanging out, and then we'll slowly move into those that are part of the event itself to get judged. But as you can already see, there are a lot of bikes out here. Of course, if you tell people as I was saying, if you tell people that there's going to be a bike and car show, people will show. Sorry if I don't get all the bikes that are over here, because there's a lot of them, but try to catch as much as we can. Now we're going to move into the cars and the bikes that are part of the show that are being judged. Y'all definitely got to check out this beastly thing. Definitely one rowdy car. Freaking size of this thing. It is nuts, y'all. Bad girl definitely has to be making some power. I'm sure y'all remember this guy. Got to talk to him at Cars and Coffee recently. This thing is just slick.
Hey, country, everybody! Keep those, everybody. Keyless is Finnish. In Finland, it means thank you. Jet. Keyless. Let's go back to 1964, and here's a pretty song. I think this is a pretty song. Very pretty. It's a pretty song, and it starts with...
You got this freaking thing.
I like that beat, man.
I don't know what does. And then, you know, you can't go wrong with an LS at all. This thing is pretty freaking clean too, the interior on it. Oh man, look at the inside. Is this one of these cute cars? Sorry, sir. And they got the ice truck out here.
Watermelon wave.
This is definitely something y'all to check out. Definitely did not see a build like this. Makes me think of the Boosted Boys with their little buggy. But this thing kind of a little bit bigger, stands out a little bit more. But this truck, a freaking two-tone color, just clean. It's pretty slick. Interior is pretty nice too.
You say you've done 300 questions in 45 minutes?
Damn.
You got this beastly Corvette right here. Sorry.
Yeah, you good.
Every time I see it run, it take off, and then you love it. You got to love it again.
And then you got this freaking beast. That color. It's just clean. Definitely got your options out here, folks. Much it, y'all. Pretty much all the cars that are here. A couple may roll in. I think they're done with letting people register. Voting will start at some point. Definitely come on down to Appleton Harley Davidson. Check them out. It's definitely a great event. Can't go wrong. You got all different types of cars and bikes out here. You got so much to see. So you definitely won't be bored. Pretty decent crowd out. So make sure y'all come out and check them out. Make sure that y'all also like, share, subscribe. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Also got Snapchat if y'all are into that stuff. But we'll just catch you on for now. Take it easy, y'all.